Okay, still on page 370. Now we're at the bottom two problems. The last two problems for the mid-chapter check. Let's get to it. Amy volunteers at an animal shelter. She worked 10 hours in March, 12 hours in April, 14 hours in May, 16 hours in June. If the pattern continues, how many hours will she work in December? So March was 10, April was 12, May was 14, June was 16, so you can see 10, 12, 14, 16, June, and we want to go to December, so June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many hours will she work in December? 28 hours. How did we find that? Well, we started taking out the information we do know. 10 hours for March, 12 hours for April, 14 in May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And we saw that the pattern was, she was adding 2 hours. So by the time December hits, she'll be working 28 hours. All right, number 12, Aaron wants to buy a new snowboard. The table shows the amount that he has saved. If the pattern in the table continues, how much will he have saved after 1 year? So this is given in months. Okay, think of this as our input, and this is our output. Let's see, did they give us variables? No. But we know the output is my y, that's how much money is saved, and the input is always my x, how many months. So the amount of money that's saved depends on how many months he saves for. So y is going to equal, and then what are they doing to my x, the months? So if he works 3 months, he'll saved $135. 4 months, he'll saved $180. What are they doing to 3 to get it up to $135? What are they doing to 4 to get it up to $180? And remember, they have to do the same thing to each one. There's going to be some kind of rule that says you always do this. Well, it's going to be, we're getting bigger, so it's going to be multiplying or adding, and it looks like it's going to be multiplying because it's getting big very fast, right? So what can I multiply 3 by to get 135? Well, I could divide 3 into 135. 3 can't go into 1. 3 can go into 13. 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract gives me 1. Bring down my 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract gives me 0. So it looks like they're multiplying by 45. Another way we can write this is y equals 45x. And then, we're not done yet. Then it says how much will he have saved after 1 year? Well, 1 year equals 12 months. So now you just need to plug in 12 for your x and do that multiplication. So you're going to do 45 times 12 to solve and figure out how much money he has saved after a year, which would be 12 months. All right, thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. If you're not sure how I'm getting something or why I'm doing something, raise your hand and ask. Let's get it straightened away and we'll solve this. All right, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.